Okay.
So this is the micro hardness tester with Vickers and loop scales. It has both scales selectable inside the panel. And now I will show you how to operate this machine. This is a digital model with digital measurement. It has inbuilt a rotary encoder for optical measurements and automatic turret. Here you can see the movement of turret. First you have to place specimen on XY table and raise it with operating hand wheel. You have to focus surface of the specimen, and once it is visible on your eyepiece, then you have to press start key. Now we are taking reading on 200 gram load on this standard specimen having hardness of 430 HV, HV 0.2, and load is selected here 0.2. This load is selectable with this rotary load selector knob. So this machine is having 10 gram to 1000 gram load. Here you can see 10 grams, and whatever load you are selecting, it will appear on the screen. So we are selecting 0.2 kg 200 gram load. Now we have to press start key. It will display the test time, dwell time. Now it is unloading. So your hardness impression is done. Now we have to measure it. So first of all, when you are switching on the machine, the display will show you reset 0. So that time you have to set 0 value on your eyepiece. There are two lines we are using for measurement. We have to bring those lines together and we have to make it 0. I will do it now. We have to press 0 key. Now we have to start measuring diagonal 1. You can focus image for better clarity and start measurement. This is diagonal 1. Now we have to rotate eyepiece vertically and we will measure diagonal 2. It is almost the same size, but still we have to measure D1, D2. It will calculate the mean measurement and show you the hardness. Now it is done. So here you can see the hardness value of 431.8. The standard test block is having hardness of 430 HV and we are getting 431.8. So as per standard, the hardness value is permissible in 3% of hardness. That is, if it is 430, then plus minus 3% of 430 will be around 13 division. So that much tolerance is permissible as per standard. So we are getting very good results on the machine, and this machine comes along with this accessory box with all additional things like vise for holding samples. Then for cylindrical jobs, shafts, you can use this vise, and it has level bottle inside, so you have to put it on the XY table and adjust the level. You have to place these 4 leveling bolts at the bottom of the machine while installing, and you can adjust the level. And this is how we have to use this machine. After this measurement, you can take printout. If this machine is having inbuilt printer, so you just have to press print key and it will take printout of the taken reading. Thank you.